Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're gonna do in this video is share with you the rewards for the File Node NFTs. So I have 8 of them that I've registered, and if you guys want, head over to the channel and we have videos on Cornucopias. So here we got a Copi price prediction, we got staking videos, we've got File Node rewards, so you can see the last one there. I'm earning roughly 70 to 80 per day, and that will change in the future. But if you go here, type in Copi File Node, perhaps Node rewards, you should see something. So this should be used as a library to help you guys out. So here's how to calculate your rewards. I have a video on that, and also how to register. So if you have not registered, that's how you do it. So if you guys go to JPEG Store, let me share with you something. The floor of the File Node NFTs are going up. Okay, so it's fluctuating now, but I want to explain to you why I think these are still undervalued. So basically what you can do is you can pick up a File Node, and what you're going to do is register it on the website. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But ultimately, I think the people that own these are most likely not going to sell them. And right now, if we take a look at the market, we are August 25th, 2024. And right now, Bitcoin's only at 64,000. And I think that's ultimately low when we're going to look back a couple years from now, maybe even a year. So it's hard to dictate. I don't know short term what's going to happen. Long term, I have an idea. So by the way, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. Comment down below, how many nodes do you have? Okay, so ADA, Ethereum, that all plays into Copi's price because you can pick up this token on several different chains. But right now with Cardano, these File Node access keys, they allow you to register the node, and then you can run a small piece of the game, helps keep it decentralized, etc. So even here, Cornucopia's first File Node release called File Node. These are nodes that break up our large game into small chunks, which allow for a much faster download time for the end user while making the download more stable as the nodes are distributed. So owning these nodes, I think, is powerful going long term. I did pick up a few of these. I think I got one just under 1,000 ADA. And I just think these are undervalued. I think these will get to, it might even go beyond 5,000 ADA at one point. I'm not sure. But we're going to see it in the twos before you know it. So I think this is a good opportunity to pick up a File Node. So that's part of the video. The other thing is I want to share with you my rewards. So if you guys use a Linktree, it's not only good to save you 10% off a Tangem or to pick up another hardware wallet, we have online courses and we have quick links for you. So how to register your node. If you click that, that's where you go to register your node. So currently you can pick one up on JPEG. Once it's in your wallet, then you can connect your wallet. I have videos on this to help you out. So here, if we go to manage nodes, you will see that I have 8 nodes registered. So the cutoff date, I think, is already gone if you want to see, if you would have wanted to see rewards come in. So the rewards that you're about to see now are based on the registry, the nodes that I registered a little while ago. I believe that was for before July. So I think it was, it was a little bit ago. So long story short, in a month or so, I've earned around 4,300 Copi. Okay, so over a month, you can see the rewards coming in here. They've done an incredible job here. So I got 4 wallets connected. So basically, once you pick up your nodes, you go to manage nodes, register them, then you get rewards. Now going forward, I don't know how long these rewards are going to continue because you will have to eventually run the node. So these NFTs give you basically a registration license. It's like a license, right? So that's the cool thing about NFTs, right? You have non-fungible assets similar to crypto where everything's on the blockchain. With a NFT, you have a specific asset ID number. So you can distinguish one NFT from another. So it could be from the same set. So for example, you want to make sure you have your policy ID ends in 221. That's from the creator's end, but from your end, you're going to have a specific number. Okay, and it's all verified through the blockchain. So here's 778-255. Whereas Bitcoin, it's like money, right, or oil, where it's it's basically viewed as the same 1-to-1. So one Bitcoin is the same as another Bitcoin, right? So you wouldn't want your $10 bills to fluctuate in price one from another, right? But as a currency as a whole can. So I hope I explained that well. But basically, you can pick up a specific one, and I have another video coming out where I'm going to be talking about other NFTs that I think are underrated, but these file nodes, guys, this game looks incredible. I started playing. I was in Vegas, so the moose got loose out there. I've done some interviews. If we go to my profile, guys, give me a follow. Interviewed Fareed, so that was cool. Hopefully Fareed's running for president. He would definitely get my vote. So guys, like I've done a ton of interviews, and I got to meet the team. So I think I did one with Rob. Rob should be up here somewhere. So that was cool. We got to meet Navulo. Here's Josh, Leaking Crypto. Shout out to Josh. And here's Rob. So I played the game, guys. What I like a lot about this game is the size, and really the graphics were sweet. So everything feels very custom. You have the scanner tool, so we'll be talking about that in a video coming up shortly. So with that being said, guys, the moose is loose. Guys, save 10% off your Tangem and use the other links to help support this channel. That's all we got for you. We'll see you in the next one.